everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the box in which this kit has came. So now let me open this. This is the box. Wow, this box is looking so nice. It's a really big box and with some beautiful colors. So see, there is a warning here that it's not for children under 3 years. And here are some the equipments of the box. The box has a telescope activity, a moon buggy activity, and a planet wanderer activity. And it has 1 magazine and 3 worksheets in it. So now, let me open this. So here I have got a note. It's for the parents. I'm going to keep this aside. And it's a magazine. This is a magazine. Wow, it's so colorful with some vibrant colors. Nice. It has got some activities in it. See, like the crossword and some facts about the space. See how so much information is there. Nice. Okay, so there are 3 activities. First, there's first activity. This is the second one, and this is a third one. So now, let us open the activity 1. Ooh, these are the things which I've got in this box. This is a worksheet which you have to do after making, what is this? A telescope, after making the telescope. So this is the instruction manual. Now let me assemble it and show it to you. I have made this and it's looking so nice and beautiful. From here I can see small and far away objects, and from here I can see closer and very big things. The cardboard material is so nice. I love this activity so much. So now let us move to our activity number 2. So these are all the materials which are in activity 2. So let me assemble it and then show it to you. This is a worksheet and this is the instruction manual. These are some parts and some rubber bands, 1 crayon, and these are also some parts of it. Okay, now I will make this and show it to you. here is my moon buggy. Can you see it? It is so magnificent. I love this. Wow. So now we are done with this telescope and this beautiful moon buggy. So now let us move to activity number 3. So now these are the things which is in activity number 3. Now I will assemble this and show it to you. So our third activity is the game. It is going to be really wonderful and interesting. So let's start, and here's what you have to do. Firstly, you can see that there are so many materials here. I'm going to tell you what are they. This is the one base. There are 3 orange rockets, 3 blue rockets, 5 small planet rings, and 1 big planet ring, this one, and 2 medium planet rings, these 2. And there are 4 coins. There are 8 rams like these, and 3 orange cards, 3 blue cards, 7 orange flags, and 7 blue flags. And there are also 2 straws. So now I have to stick them. So I will see. Okay. Like this. I think this is for Jupiter. This is for Neptune. This is for Mars. This is for Earth. This is for Venus. And this is for Mercury. So now I'm going to stick them. So these blue rockets, these are some blue cards. We have to put them in like this for each rocket. You can see these. Now we have to make small rams like these. So I have placed all the rams in the board in their particular places. So now I am going to start the game and I am going to tell you some rules. So we have to lay all the parts of the game as shown. I have shown, right? As shown on the playing surface. Each player then takes 3 rockets. Each player have to take 3 rockets like these. Orange has 3 and blue has 3. Then the orange player starts the game. So the orange player will start the game. The player must place the orange rocket on the ramp next to Earth as shown. Like this. The player must then flip the coin. If the coin outcome is cold, the player will get a maximum of 5 blows to move the rocket to any planet that is cooler than Earth. If the coin outcome is hot, then the player gets 5 blows to move the Earth to a planet hotter than Earth. If the rocket lands on the sun or goes out of the board, the player will lose 1 rocket. If a player loses all of the rockets before landing on all the planets, the opponent will win the game. If the rocket even touches the circle, then he can just put the rocket in the ramp. And then once the rocket is on the ramp, the player gets only 1 chance to blow and land the rocket inside the ring. If the rocket lands successfully inside the ring, the player will put an orange flag inside the ring. So if my rocket is on the ramp, I only get one chance to blow. See. So my rocket is inside this, so I win. If my rocket comes here, then I will lose one of my rockets. If now the blue planet is landing the same planet, then he can also put a flag here, like this. Okay, like this. If the orange player has landed first, so I've done orange, and then the blue player has landed, then I don't know, like this. Okay. Now, if the rocket does not touch the Jupiter, then it will have to go back to the planet Earth and begin again. Okay. The player who lands on all the planets first win the game. So if now blue lands on all the planets except Earth, then he will win the game. Or if this happens to the orange player, then he will win. Okay, so this is how we play this game, and I think this game is gonna be very, very interesting. So today we have made these 3 activities. The first is a telescope, second is a moon buggy, and the third is a game which is really interesting. So now I am going to tell you what I've learned from these activities. From this telescope, I have learned how to make this beautiful telescope and how this telescope works, because only with these lenses we can see far objects and closer objects. With this moon buggy, I have learned how to make this, and I have learned how the moon buggy works. And I really love how it walks on the moon's surface. I love this. And with this activity, I have learned how to make this game and which planet is hotter than Earth and which planet is colder than Earth. So I hope you loved today's video. So till the next video, bye and thank you.